ocean on the glow, like the sun on the sea. It's all about the vibe, living wild and free. Chinway's got the spark with her magical key. Unlocking brighter days is where you wanna be. Oh, Chinway, on your Magic TV.
Guys, still glue on my head though. I've not been able to remove the glue on my head. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is the start of another new vlog. I just finished a vlog of where I took baby for her document. So baby is here, serious, and it's night. You can see outside it's getting dark, so it's night and my kids, we are chilling out. Just watching movie. Mama, keep quiet. Let's do this video. So I decided to start off another vlog. I don't know, content creators, please. I don't know if this thing used to happen to you. For the past 2 weeks, the urge to make video and to edit video died in me. I don't know. I couldn't. If I just remember, I'm not posted, I have to edit or I have to make video, I'll just get weak. I'll just get tired. If you are like that, please drop it in the comment section. Seriously, for the past 2 weeks, if you notice, I've not been posting. I didn't post for over a week because that spirit of content creating died. If there's any word like that, it dies. So welcome to another vlog. Thank you for joining. If it's the first time coming across this beautiful face, you are welcome to this family. My name is Chiwonyemechi. I'm a mom of 4 living in Italy. Living in Italy. So guys, let's start off this vlog. So I don't know how far, how long, how many days we are going to vlog this. We are going to do this video, but in any way, enjoy the content. So tonight with I and my kids. Hubby is resting because he will soon leave. Today he's going to be working, doing night. So Hubby is going to night work. We'll be doing night today, so he will soon leave the house and go to work. While I and my kids will be alone at home. Mama, say hello. Mama will be 2 months tomorrow. Mama, say hello. So we are going to be celebrating 2 months birthday tomorrow. Mama, say? Mama, say? We are going to be celebrating 2 months birthday tomorrow. She said yes.
Mommy, I'm not regretting.
To do what?
They saw that he's coming. What?
See, brother and sister. See the 2 of them. See the both of them. Emma, bring her down, please. Her hands will pin her now. Now she's looking at you. Hello guys, good evening guys. How you all doing? Guys, see my face, I just woke up from sleep. So I'm heading towards the park to go meet my husband and my 3 daughters. My husband and my 3 daughters. So hubby went out with Piccolo. He went out with baby because I was so tired and I needed to sleep. He took baby to the park with Amanda and Greatness so that they can go and play. Now he's calling me and telling me that baby is crying, that I should please come and give baby suck. I should come and breastfeed her. So that's where I'm going to. I didn't want to go out today and I was so tired. I've been busy since morning. I'm so tired. So I'm heading towards the park now to go and meet them. So let's go to the park. My son is coming behind. So my son is coming to come and join us. I know that Obi is using this medium to bring me out from the house because I've not gone out of the house for a very long time. See my fat face. For a very long time. Apart from yesterday that I took her for. Yesterday I took her for her document. So I believe that's why she's taking. That's why he's taking me out of the house again today. See then what? There's no way I can be able to stay now with my little piccolo outside.
She don't even care except for me.
She loves staying outside.
My friends are here.
Your friends are here.
A lot of dogs train cats.
Okay.
Cats are rough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Everybody climb chairs.
both of them, who is stronger?
Cat run a dog that pop.
Oh, honey. My people. We are at the park. Let me show you guys my. Mimi is coming. Hello. How are you?
Ako presente.
Okay now.
Oh.
Guys, let me show you. Ciao. Let me show you. I beg I to bend down. Don't let me bend down. I'm going to But guys, see my husband and my baby. Alpha. I wanna cope.
Smoker here.
See my baby is sleeping.
Papi Kiki.
You don't beat her this
She
morning.
wake up before.
Kelly, mommy. Daddy, let's go. Well, that's the boy. Daddy.
People that we used to use.
I'm listening to what people have.
You need to ask people that you used to use to come around them. Let me show you something.
Let us stand. Let's show you how to stand.
Okay,
Wait.
we're gonna make sure
Put your leg.
Put your leg. Put your leg.
Wait.
We're not pushing
Wait,
it.
let's
We're not pushing it. Oh.
No, you fall for that.
She wants to try as kids
Before
though.
you use your head now for ground, and I don't know.
Okay, Amanda. Mommy, let me.
Obviously, you're supposed to use one rope and hold. They not put another here.
Cause you don't know that one. And let's stop. Calm down. Let me show us the regular.
Goodness. Where's that can that you were using? Go ahead. Open your mouth. Sir. Wash your hands. That was good. Anyway. But you live there. Go. Abby, go. Abby, go. One. Move. Go. 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 Abby, go. She have to slide. You have to learn how to slide. Go. Go. Abby, go. You must slide. Let's go. Abby, let's go. Let's go. Woo. Woo, baby, let's go. Let's go. Woo. Put that. Let her sit down. Let her. Stay with her. Go. 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 Yeah, she wants to go. She'll go again now. You see, she wants to go again. Abia, let's go. Let's go. Go. Abby is a good girl. Go, go. Baby, go. Baby, go. No, she has to go. Get her, say, come down.
I'm helping her.
Then it's come down. You know what to do. Then you don't have to.
Get her, come down. Leave her. Don't say no, but fly. Abi didn't go again. Abi what happened? No more. Abi no more. Eh? Old woman, see you. Old woman. So that pack. Don't worry.
I need to drink some water.
Let's go. Let's fix her. Let's go to the other park. Am I not going? Let's go.
Chasing sunlight through the trees, dreams as
I'll follow this side. Hey, mommy.
Let's go that way.
Eh, follow this side. Let's follow this side.
afraid.
Yes. That one, I can have to swim that one. If we go like this, no, if we go like this.
Life unfolds so beautifully.
A baby. A baby.
Echoes of hope, love, and truth we see. A melody of life's sweet symphony. Through soft whispers of the dawn, stories told, a heart reborn. Life's a canvas, the colors blend. Every start, the journey ends.
Abi, is that
On chill, on your magic TV. Life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope, love,
Hey, let's cross.
truth we see. A melody of life's sweet symphony.
I'm going home. Just tell me we are going home. Because
It's quite. Mom, don't look. Mom, don't look. They say if you look at children where they fall, they'll start crying.
Soft whispers of the dawn.
Wow.
Stories
Guys, this is the new
reborn.
pre-KG school. If baby grows now, this is where she will be schooling. Very beautiful.
Colors blend
We are entering the next park.
every start.
Park in my city is so small, twinkling. What?
Way on your magic TV.
I know.
Life
I like this environment.
so
So cool and calm.
echoes of hope
Small park, and
and truth.
this is the restroom. Guys, this is the restroom to this park. Let me show you. Very neat too. Let me see if it's open. This is the restroom. Very neat.
Piano
Very neat.
dances through
You can see it. Restroom in a park.
every moment
So restroom in a park.
with care.
And there's the kids they played. Let them play a little then. We'll start going.
A journey new,
Ooh.
chasing dreams with skies so blue.
I'm gonna push my pick on this side.
Way on your magic life unfolds so beautifully.
It's beautiful. Oh God! Greatness, run away! Okay, say another one again. Feed up with dogs. Woo, woo, woo. I mean, woo. Want to chiro.
chasing sunlight through the trees.
Ciao.
Dreams as vast
Want to Jiro.
open.
Want to go to want to visit the greatness best friend's mom. That's Zana's godmother. Let's shock her a little bit. Let's shock Zana's godmother a little bit. She's not expecting this visit at all. She's not expecting the visit, so let's go and shock her. See my face, I'm going to shock Zana's godmother.
Truth we see, a melody of life sweet.
I love this environment. Very cool. This environment like GRA. Eh?
Through soft whispers
That's where that is taking us to.
of the dawn. Stories told, a heart reborn. Life's a canvas, the colors blend. Every star.
This is Zana's godmother's house. Zana's godmother's house.
TV, life unfolds so beautiful.
This one. What the hell do you do? What do you do this dog?
Truth we see, a melody of life sweet.